Hi friends, welcome back to art class with me, Mrs. Cassins. Today we are going to be exploring shape. Let's look at a few different kinds of shapes. A circle, a triangle, a rectangle, and a pentagon. Now we're going to use all that shape knowledge to make an awesome pumpkin painting. Ready? How to make a Yayoi Kusama pumpkin. Meet Yayoi Kusama. She's super weird and super awesome, and she's called the Princess of Polka Dots. I think you can see why. Yayoi was born in Japan. Can you find Japan? To make our Yayoi Kusama pumpkin, we first need to write our name and our teacher's name on the back of our paper. Flip it over. Great job. Now we're going to use shape to create our pumpkin. First, we're going to draw a big circle. Next, I'm going to make two curved lines and a circle for my stem. Now I'm going to add curved lines to finish off my pumpkin. How many did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. Make sure you put your cap on your marker. And now we're going to cut our pumpkin out. You could choose a different colored pumpkin if you wanted. It does not have to be orange. Now I'm going to glue my pumpkin to another piece of colored paper. Give it a nice massage. Feels great, thank you. Now I'm going to take my paintbrush and my black paint, and I'm going to use the wrong side of the paintbrush. So I'm going to be using the tip right here. And I want my pumpkin to look like Yayoi Kusama's pumpkins, where she had all those cool dots. So I'm going to dip my paintbrush with the wrong side, and I'm going to make dots all over my pumpkin. So it's kind of like a stamp. And if you wanted your dots to be bigger, you can make them bigger. Now I'm going to take my white and I'm going to use the wrong side of my paintbrush, and I'm going to do the background, so the area behind the pumpkin and also my stem. After you're done with your artwork, it's going to go on the drying rack. Make sure that you hold your artwork flat with 2 hands and very carefully put it on the drying rack. See you later, painting! Next, we're going to take our artist palette and rinse out our paint in the sink. Remember to always face it away from you. You're also going to rinse off the handle of your brush. Turn off your faucet. And then you're going to put your palette back where you got it and put your paint brush back as well. Yaya would be so proud.